Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're back on the Spitfire doing the exhaust. You've seen us remove all the exhaust. I've welded it all up, which you've seen on the other video, and now I'm putting it back on. So I started to put it back on. Obviously we got the broken stud out there with the drill. I started to put it back on, then realised that I've put this exhaust on before this exhaust, so now I've got to take it all back off again, and it's very difficult to get these little nuts or the studs out. One comes out with the stud, one's coming out off on the nut, but it's quite difficult to get them back in again once you've got it all set up, because you've got to hold the lot there while you do it. So I'm going to give it a go. Everything's back together, exhaust back on, carbs back on, everything that hopefully should be attached is attached. Doors have been sprayed along the door tops there, and the door cards have been done. So we're going to see if it starts after it's been in pieces. All this was to stop the exhaust leak, so we hope that's happened, because put the keys in, hope the battery ain't flat, steering lock's on. The battery might be flat, or it could be. I think the battery's flat. The battery's not flat. It wasn't attached. Yeah. Right. Is it on? Yeah. We still got nothing. Oh, hang on. We got something. Aerial's going up. Okay. Let's pull the choke out. Yeah, no, it's this wire here. There's a wire burn problem. It's nearly going. Why is my throttle not doing anything to the throttle cable? Yeah. I'm pressing the throttle. I'm pressing the brake. There you go, it's working now.
Everybody's head in.
Woohoo! Let's have a listen. Sorry, nothing. That's hopefully fixed. We had to turn it off rapidly because we thought we had a fuel leak, but it's a water leak coming from here. I have got to remember to top up the water a bit now, because we did let some out when we took this intake manifold off, because this is a water pipe, runs across the top of the intake manifold and into what I would say is the heater matrix inside the car there, and then back out. So let's make sure them are both tight. But the good news is it's running. I've got to tighten that up. So there we go. Welded up, change sorted. Sweeter than nut.